Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to hide the apps from app library on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to hide any of the apps on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back and you have to open the settings again. And this time you have to go to general and you have to open the software update. And here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of your iOS on your device. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply press and hold any of the apps here. For example, if you want to hide any apps from here, you can simply click on hide apps, and after that you will be able to hide the apps. For example, if you hide the app here from here, then there is option available. Then you can simply click on that require face ID, and there are two options available. The first one is hide and require face ID, and if you want to hide that app, and it will require face ID when you want to unhide that. So here I'm going to click on that, and after that you see that that app will be hidden from here, and you will not see that app in app library. Now if you want to see the app again, then what you have to do, you have to simply go here and you have to click on hidden, and after that it will be shown to here. And you have to make sure that your face ID is working properly here, and otherwise your app will not work here, and your face ID is required for that function. So here you have to simply click on don't require face ID, and after that you have to simply go back, and this app will be available here, and you can simply take that app to the position where you want. So in this way, you can simply hide any app from the app library without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.